you my skincare routine before going to the garden. So, kita mga plantitas, plantitos, we need to take care of our skin, especially we're going outside and exposed tayo sa sun. So, we need to protect our face to prevent wrinkles, no? Wrinkles, pigmentation, tungtong, freckles, and also from sunburn. So usually kita mga plantitos, plantitas, gusto natin mag-standby sa garden or somewhere, ma-expose tayo sa sun, even in light shades. So dapat tayong take care sa ating skin. And so right now, I'm going to share to you my skincare routine before going to my garden outside and visit my plant babies. So keep on watching. Hope you like this, guys. Please like and subscribe. So I already cleansed my skin, so I'm just gonna use my Human Nature Nourish Face Toner. So this is just mild, guys, and it works on my skin. So instead of putting it on the cotton, I use it directly sa palm and then pat it on my skin. Char. I feel na dyan ito bakot. Then don't forget your neck. So have it settled for how many seconds on your skin, and then let's proceed with the serum. So I'm using this serum from Innisfree, Jeju Hallabong Daily Skin Rub. So remove niya yung pigmentation, pero this will take time. So next is hindi magpapakawat yung the very important part of this step, which is applying your SPF. So right now I'm using this SPF. So it says here that it can protect you from UVA and UVB. So it's F50 SPF to siya, guys, pero pwede naman yung 20 SPF or 30 SPF. So fast absorbing and lightweight moisturizing gel with superior sun protection for face and body. So pwede na rin yun sa balikat nyo, guys, sa whole body mo. So i-apply mo lang to. So itong, I don't know if meron ba tong fragrance. Merong fragrance. So I think ito pwede sa mga sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, don't buy products that has fragrance, so it would irritate your skin. So, yeah, guys. So right now I'm using sun gel because it works perfectly sa skin, and then cheap lang siya, guys, sa ganda niya. It cost 299 pesos. Mas mahal yung sa Bello, yung maliit lang, then mahal siya. So ito yung binili ko. Then ni-recommend rin to ng mga influencers. So tried and tested na nila. So yan. So just gonna apply, like they said that you have to apply 1/4 teaspoon. So ganyan karami. Oh my gosh. usually put foundation or makeup every day, especially right now that I'm a work from home tita. So I'm just gonna apply lip tint. Put a bit of lipstick. So I'm using Sunnies. Gosh, ang pimple ko, besh. And then, I'm using this face and body mist. No? This is also from Fresh Skinlab. Protect and revive face and body mist. So, made in Korea to guys, no? So, available lang to sa Watson. So, kahit wala akong makeup guys, paranoid ako sa sun, charot. So, i-ano ko na lang to siya sa body ko and face to set my lip tint. Charot, besh! Set pa ang lip tint, besh. I'm just gonna spray this. Kayo ng lagat nito talaga yung masakit if hindi ka mag-sunscreen, like sakit ng likod mo kasi wala ka ng sunscreen. Don't forget always na net, no? Kahit ang part rin yan sa face skincare mo kasi if hindi mo lalagyan ng moisturizer or mag-wrinkle rin yan. Like, kita niyo sa mga old people, like, parang ang deep ng lines nila dito. So, don't forget to apply on your neck. So, yan. Well, and we're done! Done na yung skincare morning routine na highly recommended ko sa mga kapwa Plantitas and Plantitos. So don't forget to protect your skin while taking care of your babies outside your garden or even near the window. No? So let me know guys if you have additional questions. Comment below. And also, thank you so much for watching this session. So this has been Mary from Marimar TV, and please don't forget to subscribe on our channel for weekly videos. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.